It's me, Joe the Joker. Today I'm playing with Willie Plays. Hi YouTube. He doesn't want to talk. I don't know why. But today we're playing PvP Arena. We're going to do PvP. Kill each other. I have all the things delicious, but I took it and wore it. And we're going to start right now. Let me just eat my apples. We're going to start in 1, 2, 3. Stupid. No shit. I don't know where I'm aiming. I don't know where I'm aiming. I don't know where I'm aiming. And I won. Nice round. Guess for him. I guess for him. 1-0. So we're going to do 5 rounds in total. All stuffs back. Stuffs. Can you give me a golden apple or okay? Thank you. No, I have a ball. Oh, I have a ball. My ball? I don't have your ball. Maybe it's inside. Just bring another ball, can you? Let's get started. Okay. So round 2. 1, 2, 3. Going to do the same sneaky peeky attack.